Welcome to Consumer Picks. If you've ever finished mowing a large yard and felt like you just run a 5K, this video is for you. Self-propelled mowers are designed to simplify lawn care, but the market offers a wide range of options, from genuinely excellent to seriously overpriced. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 best self-propelled lawn mowers of 2026, ranked from good to best. Gas is out, electric and battery-powered have caught up, and the options on this list prove it. If that sounds useful, hit subscribe. Let's get into it. Starting at number 5, the Toro Stripe 21-inch 60-volt battery walk mower. And this one is for anyone who wants their lawn to look like it was done by a professional landscaper. The headline feature is right there in the name. This mower is designed to leave alternating stripes on your lawn as you mow. Each stripe runs in a slightly different direction, which not only looks sharp, but is actually beneficial to your lawn's health over time. If curb appeal matters to you, this is the mower to look at. Feature-wise, it checks all the important boxes: bagging, mulching, side discharge, a collapsible handle for compact storage, and a powerful 60-volt battery. The speed controls are easy to adjust on the fly, even though it doesn't auto-match your walking pace the way some pricier models do. We haven't personally put this specific model through our full test cycle yet, but we've tested other Toro mowers extensively, including our #1 pick, and the brand's build quality and performance consistency give us real confidence here. It's also relatively lightweight and well-priced for everything you're getting. If a great-looking lawn is the goal, the Toro Stripe earns its spot at number 5. Number 4, the Husqvarna Lawn Expert LE322, and this is the one to buy if mulching is your priority. When we ran this on our 0.31-acre test lot, it immediately stood out for its intuitive controls, smooth speed adjustments, and push-button mulcher activation. That's right. Switching to mulching mode is literally one button press. The special blade and chamber design chop your clippings up finely with little to no clumping, and those mulched clippings get left in place to feed your lawn naturally. If you want to skip the bagging entirely and give your grass a nutrient boost at the same time, this is your machine. The control panel is one of the best we've used. Centrally located, easy to read, with a battery life indicator right there where you need it. There are 3 operating modes: mulching, sensing, and max power. Sensing mode automatically adjusts power output based on grass height and thickness to conserve battery. Speed adjustment is handled via a large lever that goes up to 4 miles per hour, and it moves smoothly. We never felt like it was running away from us or holding us back. We were able to mow our entire 0.31-acre lot twice on a single charge without ever turning off self-propulsion, including upslopes. For mulching performance, this Husqvarna is unmatched at this price point. Number 4. Number 3, the EcoPower Plus 21-inch self-propelled mower. And if your yard has hills, slopes, or rough terrain, this is the one I'd point you toward first. This mower rivals the power of a gas engine without the fumes, the oil changes, or the frustrating pull cord ritual every time you want to start it. Press a button, and the 56-volt 7.5 amp-hour battery fires it right up. Runtime is up to 60 minutes, enough to mow about half an acre. And when it does need a recharge, it only takes around 20 minutes. We found it could easily handle mowing our lawn 3 full times before needing to be plugged in. The 21-inch cutting deck handles a wide range of grass heights with a one-hand lever that cycles through 6 settings from 1.5 to 4 inches. Very easy to use. The handle is adjustable for comfort, and rear-wheel drive with large wheels gives you excellent traction on slopes and uneven ground. Speed is variable from 0.9 miles per hour to 3.1 miles per hour, so you can set it to match your stride precisely. As first-time self-propelled mower users during testing, there was a short learning curve. At first, it felt like it was pulling us along. For hilly terrain specifically, this is the best on the list. Rear-wheel drive, strong battery, fast charging, and genuine hill climbing capability. Number 3. Number 2, the HART 40-volt cordless self-propelled mower kit. Self-propelled mowers cost more than push mowers. That's just the reality. But the time and effort you save are absolutely worth the investment, and the HART makes that investment as painless as possible. It's typically priced around $200 less than our top pick, has a 20-inch deck, and is noticeably lightweight compared to most of the competition. We tested this on a small yard, around 0.1 acre front and back, with varied terrain, including a grassy drainage ditch, trees, stumps, and a garden bed. The self-propulsion feature was genuinely handy navigating all of it, especially pushing up inclines and through the drainage ditch. Mulching, side discharge, and bagging are all included, with a bag in the box at no extra cost. The mulching feature doesn't have a dedicated blade or mode like more expensive options, but the performance is solid for what you're paying. If your yard is larger, you may want to budget for a second battery eventually. The mower conveniently has a storage slot for one. It's an extra cost, but even with a second battery, you'll likely still come out ahead compared to pricier alternatives. Lightweight, capable, affordable, and practical, the HART is the best bang for your buck self-propelled mower we tested. And the #1 best self-propelled lawnmower of 2026, the Toro Flex-Force 21466. This mower has one feature that separates it from everything else on this list. It automatically adjusts to your walking speed. You don't set a pace and try to match it. It matches you. The result is the most natural, comfortable mowing experience I've had with any self-propelled machine. It genuinely felt like the mower was driving itself while I just steered. The 22-inch steel deck is the widest of any pick on this list, meaning fewer passes to cover the same area. Rear-wheel drive and large wheels handle both level ground and inclines with ease. Cutting height adjusts from 1 to 4 inches via tabs on each wheel. We mowed our test lawn in around 20 minutes, without much effort at all. Cutting performance is excellent across the board. Thick grass, dandelion stalks, small weeds, no trouble. The 60-volt brushless motor requires zero maintenance, and battery monitoring is built right in. Open the battery compartment, press the button, and 4 green LEDs show you exactly how much charge you have left. The widest deck, the smartest self-propulsion, the easiest operation. The Toro Flex-Force 21466 is the best self-propelled lawnmower you can buy in 2026. #1. So there's your 2026 rundown on the best self-propelled lawnmowers. Links to all 5 are down in the description with the best current prices I could find. If this helped you figure out which mower is right for your yard, drop a like. It genuinely helps the channel. Subscribe for more picks like this, and I'll see you in the next one.